Nestled in the Smoky Mountains, Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, is a vibrant town known for its unique attractions, rich history, and stunning natural beauty. Whether you're seeking thrilling adventures, family-friendly fun, or serene mountain views, Pigeon Forge has something for everyone. Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to our channel, Travels Highlights. Today, we're taking a journey through Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Buckle up as we count down the 12 best places you absolutely have to visit. Let's get started. Starting with number 12. The Old Mill. Kicking off our list is the Old Mill. This historic grist mill, built in 1830, is still grinding grains the old-fashioned way. Ever wondered what it's like to step back in time? Well, here's your chance. Enjoy a hearty southern meal at the Old Mill restaurant or pick up some freshly ground flour to take home. The surrounding area has charming shops where you can find unique pottery, homemade candies, and other crafts. It's like stepping into a cozy, old-time village. The Old Mill Square is also home to the Pigeon River Pottery, where you can watch artisans at work and purchase handmade items. Don't forget to stop by the Old Mill Creamery for some delicious ice cream, the perfect treat on a warm day. Number 11. The Island in Pigeon Forge. Next up, the Island in Pigeon Forge. This spot is like a mini carnival year-round. You've got the Great Smoky Mountain while offering stunning views, fun rides, quirky shops, and delicious eateries. Perfect for families or anyone looking to soak in some vibrant energy. And don't miss out on the Island Show Fountain, a captivating water and light show that dances to music. There are also escape rooms, a mirror maze, and live music to keep you entertained all day long. The island is also home to Paula Deen's Family Kitchen, where you can enjoy some classic Southern comfort food. Whether you're in the mood for a thrilling ride on the Thunderdome or just want to relax by the fountain, the island has something for everyone. Number 10. Hollywood Wax Museum. At number 10, we've got the Hollywood Wax Museum. Want to snap a selfie with your favorite stars? Here's the place to do it. The lifelike wax figures will have you double-checking they're not real. Plus, there's a zombie outbreak attraction if you're up for a thrill. The museum also offers a behind-the-scenes look at how these wax figures are made, giving you a glimpse into the artistry and craftsmanship involved. It's like walking through a gallery of Hollywood history and pop culture. The attraction also features the Hollywood Stars Cars Museum, where you can see famous vehicles from movies and TV shows. Whether you're posing with Elvis or battling zombies, the Hollywood Wax Museum is a fun and unique experience. Number 9. Smoky Mountain Alpine Coaster. Sliding into 9th place is the Smoky Mountain Alpine Coaster. This is the longest downhill ride in the US, and it's a total blast. Control your speed as you twist and turn through the scenic Smoky Mountains. It's a rush you won't forget. The coaster operates day and night, offering a completely different experience under the stars. Imagine the thrill of speeding down the mountain with the cool night air rushing past you. It's pure adrenaline mixed with breathtaking views. The track is over a mile long and features a series of twists, turns, and dips that will leave you grinning from ear to ear. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just looking for a fun ride, the Smoky Mountain Alpine Coaster is a must-do. Number 8. Titanic Museum Attraction. At number 8, we're exploring the Titanic Museum attraction. Walk the Grand Staircase, touch an iceberg, and explore the ship's recreated rooms. It's a touching tribute to the Titanic's history and a fascinating experience for all ages. The museum houses over 400 artifacts from the ship and its passengers, making it one of the largest collections in the world. Each visitor gets a boarding pass of an actual Titanic passenger or crew member, adding a personal connection to the voyage. The museum also features interactive exhibits, such as the chance to sit in a lifeboat or try to balance on the sloping decks. With detailed recreations and compelling stories, the Titanic Museum attraction is both educational and deeply moving. Number 7. Dollywood Splash Country. Who's ready to cool off? Dollywood Splash Country, coming in at number 7, is the perfect spot for a splash-tastic day. With water slides, lazy rivers, and wave pools, it's a water park paradise nestled in the mountains. The park is designed to blend seamlessly with the natural landscape, providing plenty of shaded areas and scenic spots to relax. From thrilling rides like the Fire Tower Falls to the leisurely Mountain Waves wave pool, there's fun for everyone. The park also features interactive play areas for younger children, making it a great destination for families. With plenty of dining options and comfortable cabanas available for rent, Dollywood Splash Country offers a full day of fun and relaxation. Number 6. Parrot Mountain and Gardens. Sixth on our list is Parrot Mountain and Gardens. This place is a tropical oasis in the heart of Tennessee. You'll be surrounded by vibrant birds, lush gardens, and beautiful views. It's a peaceful retreat that feels like a slice of paradise. Visitors can feed the parrots, hold baby birds, and even walk through a secret garden filled with colorful flowers and chirping birds. It's an interactive experience that brings you up close and personal with nature's beauty. The gardens are meticulously landscaped, featuring a variety of exotic plants and trees that provide a stunning backdrop for the colorful birds. Parrot Mountain also has a gift shop where you can purchase bird-themed souvenirs and a cafe where you can enjoy a snack while taking in the beautiful surroundings. Number 5. WonderWorks. Cracking into the top 5, we've got WonderWorks. This upside-down adventure is an amusement park for the mind. From interactive exhibits to laser tag and an indoor ropes course, it's an educational and entertaining experience all in one. The exhibits cover a wide range of topics, including space exploration, natural disasters, and physics. There's also a bubble lab, an art gallery of illusions, and a glow-in-the-dark indoor ropes course that challenges your balance and agility. The attraction also features a 4D motion ride and a variety of hands-on activities that are both fun and educational. Whether you're exploring the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle or trying to land a space shuttle, WonderWorks offers a unique blend of learning and fun. Number 4. Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Coming in at number 4, we have the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It's not just a park, it's a natural wonder. Hike through lush forests, discover cascading waterfalls, and enjoy the rich wildlife. It's an outdoor paradise for anyone who loves nature. The park offers over 800 miles of trails, ranging from easy walks to challenging hikes. Popular spots include Clingman's Dome, the highest point in the park, and Cades Cove, a beautiful valley with historical buildings and abundant wildlife. The park is also home to diverse ecosystems, from dense forests to high-elevation meadows, making it a haven for nature lovers. Whether you're birdwatching, photographing wildflowers, or simply enjoying the stunning vistas, the Great Smoky Mountains National Park is a must-visit destination. Number 3. Dollywood. At number 3 is the iconic Dollywood. This theme park, owned by the legendary Dolly Parton, offers thrilling rides, live music, and charming Appalachian culture. It's a must-visit for fun and entertainment. The park is known for its roller coasters, such as the Lightning Rod and the Wild Eagle, which offer exhilarating experiences. Beyond the rides, Dollywood showcases traditional crafts, delicious Southern cuisine, and award-winning shows that celebrate the region's heritage. The park also hosts seasonal festivals, such as the Harvest Festival and the Smoky Mountain Christmas, which feature special events and performances. With its mix of rides, entertainment, and cultural experiences, Dollywood offers something for everyone. Number 2. Gatlinburg Skylift Park. Just missing the top spot, Gatlinburg Skylift Park offers breathtaking views from high above. Take a scenic chairlift ride to the top, walk across the skybridge, and marvel at the panoramic vistas. It's an experience that'll leave you in awe. The skybridge is the longest pedestrian suspension bridge in North America, stretching 680 feet across a deep valley. As you walk across, the glass panels in the middle of the bridge provide a thrilling view of the 140-foot drop below. The park also features a skydeck and an observation area where you can relax and take in the stunning views. Whether you're visiting during the day or at night when the lights of Gatlinburg twinkle below, Skylift Park offers an unforgettable experience. Number 1. Anakista. And our number 1 spot goes to Anakista. This mountaintop park is a gem with zip lines, treetop skywalks, and beautiful gardens. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Anakista has it all. Plus, the views of the Smokies from here are simply unbeatable. The park features the Rail Runner mountain coaster, the dueling zipline adventure, and the Anavista Tower, which offers 360-degree views of the surrounding mountains. It's a perfect blend of adventure, nature, and relaxation. The Treetop Skywalk is a network of bridges suspended in the trees, providing a unique perspective of the forest below. Anakista also has a botanical garden, shopping, and dining options, making it a great place to spend a whole day. There you have it, folks, the top 12 must-visit places in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. From thrilling rides to serene gardens, there's something for everyone. Which spot are you most excited to check out? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.